Have your windows seen better days? If you want cleaner windows at your home or office, you need assistance from someone you can trust. That's where we come in. From small to large windows, we can handle anything with professionalism and the utmost care. We've been cleaning windows left, right, and center for years, building foundations of trust with our diverse range of clientele. We pride ourselves on impeccable service, and our qualified team uses the most advanced tools to guarantee uncompromised satisfaction. We take all necessary precautions to guarantee a smooth, safe job, and are able to help out on a one-time or regular basis. We are able to use traditional methods or modern purified water techniques, accessing typically hard-to-reach places with innovative extendable poles. For a fast, effective, and safe job done right the first time around, get in touch with our friendly team today. A clean slate is just a phone call away.